Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Krishna Reddy. Today I want to discuss with you trigonometry super shortcut trick solution within 10 seconds, useful for all competitive exams and board exams. Super shortcut tips, tricks, solution especially made for you. Hi, hello, namaste. My name is Krishna Reddy. Today I came with a new video and a new trick. Today I wanted to discuss with you trigonometry super shortcut trick solution within 10 seconds especially made for you. Today our question is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180, then find the value of cos A minus cos B minus cos C by using the given four options. Which one is satisfying to get original answer and correct answer? So super shortcut trick is substitute A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 in the given question. So verify, we can verify A value, B value, C value 60. So 60 plus 60 plus 60, 60 plus 60 120, 120 plus 60 180. So verified. So I wanted to go to given value. Given value is cos A minus cos B minus cos C. While you are having any two negative values in the given question, you can take minus common. Remaining value is minus cos A plus cos B plus cos C. This can be written as minus of minus cos A, B, C values 60 substituting, we get minus cos 60 plus B value 60 plus C value 60. So plus cos 60 minus cos 60 get cancelled. Remaining value is minus cos 60 equal to minus cos 60 ka value 1 by 2. So according to the given question, answer is minus 1 by 2. So now I am checking options. So option A value is 1 minus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 equal to 1 minus 4 into sin A value 60, A by 2 60 by 2 30 into sin B value 60, B by 2 60 by 2 30 into sin C value 60, C by 2 60 by 2 is 30 is equal to 1 minus 4 into sin 30 1 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 4 numerator get cancelled. Remaining answer is 1 minus 1 by 2. Already I told you in previous questions, any two values between, if you have either minus or plus, take LCM. So 2 is LCM. 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. Big number minus a small number is plus. So 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. Not matching. So option A is wrong answer. I mean, next go to option B. Option B value is 1 minus 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 is equal to 1 minus 4 into cos A value 60, A by 2 60 by 2 30 into cos B value 60, B by 2 60 by 2 30 into cos C value 60, C by 2 60 by 2 30 is equal to 1 minus 4 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2 cos 30 root 3 by 2. Denominator 2 2s are 4 and numerator 4 get cancelled. Remaining answer is 1 minus root 3 into root 3 3 and 1 more root 3 by 2. Already I told you previous, any two values between either plus or minus, if you have, you can take LCM. So here 2 is LCM. 2 into 1 2 minus 3 root 3. It is not matching. So option B is wrong. Next I am going to option C. That is 1 minus 4 sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 equal to 1 minus 4 into sine a value 60, a by 2 value 60 by 2 30 into cos b value 60, b by 2 60 by 2 30 into cos c value 60, c by 2 value 60 by 2 30 is equal to 1 minus 4 into sine 30 1 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 into cos 30 root 3 by 2 is equal to denominator 2 2s are 4 and numerator 4 get cancelled. Remaining value is 1 minus root 3 into root 3 is 3 by 2. Already I told you previously, if you have any two values between either plus or minus, take LCM. 2 is LCM. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3. Already I told you small number minus big number is minus. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 by 2. So according to given question, value is minus 1 by 2 and option C value also minus 1 by 2. So already we got answer. Lastly, I wanted to verify option D. If you get same value for option D, we can go through logic. Otherwise, you can continue option C. So option D value is 1 minus 4 cos A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2 is equal to 1 minus 4 into cos A value 60, A by 2 value 60 by 2 30 into sin B value 60, B by 2 value 60 by 2 30 into sin C value 60, C by 2 value 60 by 2 30 equal to 1 minus 4 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2, again sin 30 is 1 by 2. Denominator 2 2s are 4 and numerator 4 get cancelled. Remaining is 1 minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 by 2. Any two values between, if you have either plus or minus, you can take LCM. Here 2 is LCM. 2 into 1 2 minus root 3. It is not matching. So we got answer option C. Option C is right answer. So I wanted to tell you logic. By using this concept you will get directly answer. Otherwise I wanted to tell you one more super shortcut. Logic is, what is the given question? Given question is cos A minus cos B minus cos C. If you have two values minus symbol, my logic is take minus common. After that minus cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Now you can check cos A is having negative symbol, so write outside minus as it is. After that minus value is A only. After that you can take according to given values, you can write as it is 4 as it is. Next negative symbol value you can take sin A by 2. After that two positive values as it is, you can write cos B by 2 cos C by 2. After that minus 1. So minus multiply inside, you will get minus of minus plus 1 minus 4 sin A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. This is related to option C. So according to ABC 60 degrees you can get answer easily. According to my logic also you will get same answer. So whatever it may be, which one is easy to you, you can follow that one. So option C is right for the given question. Thank you my dear friends. To get success, a friend in need, a friend indeed. ఆపదలో ఆదుకునేవాడే నిజమైన స్నేహితుడు. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you satisfied with my explanation, please subscribe our channel, support with us, share to your friends, like, comment to this video. Thank you. सबका मालिक एक है. ప్రార్థించే పెదవుల కన్నా సాయం చేసే చేతులే మిన్న. జాయ్ ఆఫ్ షేరింగ్ ఈజ్ కేరింగ్ అండ్ హెల్పింగ్.